Structural prompting techniques are essential for improving the consistency and quality of LLM outputs by defining the rules, system, identity, rule, and background information context for an interaction. System prompt defines the model's fundamental rules, constraints, and overarching purpose for the entire conversation. It acts as the LLM's immutable constitution. It specifies core capabilities, output format requirements, and safety guidelines. This enforces specific structures like JSON, limits creative deviation, and enhances data sorting efficiency. Check this system prompt. You are a strict data formatter. Your only task is to extract information from the user's input and return it in a single JSON object with keys product name, price, and availability. Never add conversational text. The output is role prompting assigns a specific persona, identity, or expertise to the LLM. This influences the tone, vocabulary, and perspective used in the response, thereby improving output quality and relevance. Role assigns a character, example, historical expert, senior programmer, or cheerful tour guide. This creates a blueprint for style and focused expertise, making the output feel more authoritative and tailored to the requested role. Check this role prompt. Act as a 1920s hard-boiled detective. Describe the suspect who was seen fleeing the scene in one paragraph. The output is, the stiff was a mug, see? Tall, wearing a fedora pulled low, and a coat the color of stale cigar smoke. He moved with a jittery kind of speed, like a cheap clock winding down, and vanished into the rain-slicked alley before I could even light my cigarette. Contextual prompting provides immediate, task-specific background information that the LLM needs to understand and execute the current request accurately. This information is often included right before the final question. Context supplies specific data, a previous conversational turn, or background facts relevant only to the immediate task. It helps the model quickly grasp the scope and relevance of the request, leading to more accurate and less generic responses. Check this context prompt. The following two documents are related to a new product. Project X is a small, solar-powered fan, and the primary market is outdoor enthusiasts. Given this context, draft a 15-word tagline for Project X. The output is, stay cool on your trail with the silent power of the sun. Combining system, role, and contextual instructions creates a highly targeted and controlled prompt, significantly boosting the quality and relevance of the LLM's output. This prompt combines all three structural elements to ask the LLM to analyze a business scenario and present the findings in a strict format. The input prompt has 1. System. You are a strict output formatter. Your response must be returned solely as a JSON object containing analysis summary and recommendation priority. 2. Role. Act as a senior investment analyst specializing in renewable energy and green tech. 3. Context. Context. Our client is considering investing $50 million in SolarStream, a company that has developed a novel solar panel with 25% higher efficiency but requires 3x the manufacturing cost of standard panels. 4. Final request. Given this context, analyze the viability of SolarStream in the current market and provide a recommendation. The LLM adheres to the system instruction by returning only JSON, uses the role's expertise in the summary, and references the contextual data points. This example demonstrates how a combined prompt delivers a precise, professionally toned, and structured output that is immediately ready for subsequent processing or reporting. End. Analysis summary. SolarStream's 25% efficiency gain is a significant technological differentiator, crucial in the high-end residential and commercial rooftop segments where space is limited.
However, the 3x manufacturing cost presents a substantial barrier to entry in the utility-scale sector where cost per watt remains paramount. Viability hinges on securing long-term supply contracts that justify the premium pricing structure necessary to cover the high initial investment. Recommendation priority: medium risk. Proceed with a targeted pilot investment of $5 million to assess scalability and market acceptance in premium sectors before committing the full $50 million.